Happy last day of 2018! I thought, what a better way? I don't know. I thought it would be fun to start a weekly vlog. I can't talk. I thought it'd be fun to start a weekly vlog ending 2018 and starting 2019. So, welcome to my vlog. So, just got home from work a while ago, and I apologize for any background noises. My family is home, and my room is kind of trashy. But I'm getting ready to go to a New Year's Eve party, so I'm gonna do a little get ready with me. I'm gonna try something a little crazy. I want to try and recreate this kind of like pink orange glitter eye, and I'll insert a photo here. So I'm gonna really attempt to do this, but I'm not like that amazing at makeup, so we'll see what I can come up with. And then we'll head off to the party. Oh, and I have to make a green dip also to go with it, so yeah. Alright, let's just get started. I'm just about to make a green goddess dip for the party. It's like my famous snack to bring or whatever. So, and I kind of feel really crappy. My throat infection's really making me feel shitty, to say the least. But let's make some dip. It's really good because it's basically just, let me show you. So it's basically just a bunch of fresh green herbs, some vinegar, lots of tahini, and then some spices, which I don't have here. But yeah, let's see what it looks like when it's done.
A few moments later.
So here's the dip. I put in a whole jalapeno, and it's a little bit spicier than I thought it was gonna be. Fucking Scorpios! Oh!
There's these teachers who roasted him because on Instagram he posted a picture of his new tattoo, which is like an owl on his chest. But the photo wasn't just the owl, it was all of his torso ripped in the mirror. And they're like, did you need the abs with the owl?
I love it.
It's important. But you knew he was working really hard doing it. You needed to set the tone with the abs? Yeah, it was hilarious.
I don't know. Wait. What is it?
Yeah, what is it?
Okay, he doesn't know, so he loses a second point.
I'm dead.
Okay.
-2.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, it was. It was a good one. It was crisp.
It's not sticky.
It'll be sticky later.
Yeah, where's the apple?
So I'm making a quail egg omelet. Sort of an omelet. Kind of like this weird thing that I do. But I have broccoli, pea shoots. Sorry, I have broccoli, pea shoots, and spinach. And then I basically just pour my eggs over like that. And some salt. And then some pepper, and that's it. And I'm making a coffee, and I've got some gluten-free toast. So lately, I've been having a lot of dry mouth issues, and this is pretty common for people who've had radiation to like their chest or like their neck area. And I had really bad dry mouth when I was doing chemo, but for some reason, now all of a sudden it's come back. So I was looking at my blood work, and my electrolytes are all really low, and I'm not really sure why, so I have to look into that. But
I went to Whole Foods and I found this. It's called Noon Hydration, and it's basically electrolytes and vitamins that you can just put into water. So this is what it looks like, and you just drink it, and it's supposed to help. You can just do like one a day. I also have this, which is in my next video. It's Age Quencher Hydrate Beauty Electrolytes, and I usually use this when I'm at home, but for like on the go or at work, these are really nice. So I bought two. This one's the blackberry citrus flavor, and I think the other one was like blackberry lime or something like that, and you can get them at Whole Foods, and they were like $8.99 for, how many are in here? I don't know, probably like 12 or something like that. Anyways, as you can tell, I'm still sick. So we're at the groomers. Jasper is scared because he hates coming here. But you're so hairy, baby. You need to get your hair cut. Alright? I'm sorry, but you're gonna thank me after when you can stop sweating all the time. Hi, Jasper! Hi! Hi! Oh, you look so good!
Nice and clean. He
Hi.
was a very good boy. Right,
Oh, I'm
Jasper?
glad. Thank you. I feel like I have the flu. I don't know. Anyways, photo shoot today in Hamilton, so I'm really excited for that. Made my sick tea. I'm not really sure what's in it. A bunch of stuff. I'll show you guys the package later because it's in the kitchen right now and I'm sitting down. But it's just like a really good like congestion tea. I got it at the natural store, so having that, and then having my breakfast that I'm like addicted to right now. Let me show you. So quail eggs, broccoli, some avocado toast, spinach, and pea shoots.
Welcome to my vlog.
Okay, so walk down.
To the washroom.
Not so fast, Dahlia. You're going so fast. You talk way slower.
You can slow it down in
I know,
Premiere.
but she's walking so fast. I can't keep it. So walk slowly, and then kind of look around and be a little playful and be like, ah, and then you'll close the door, and then we'll take your shirt off, and then you'll come out and you'll turn around and all that stuff. Yeah, well, maybe not that, but okay.
Oh, I know.
Okay.
I'm gonna go to the egg one.
Okay,
Alright, go.
Okay, look back. Okay, close the door.
Here we guys.
This is so extra.
Okay,
We're trying to make a video and be
take your
creative.
shirt off. Oh my god.
Work. Sorry, I'm in the video. Oh, I fucked up. I'm
Yeah,
sorry.
let's do that again.
Just got home from the photo shoot. It was so much fun, and now I'm just making some food for lunch. We had to like order some food while we were there just because we felt guilty for just taking photos and not ordering anything. So we just got some fries, but now I'm making salad and some soup. Let me show you. So I just made this salad with spinach, kale, pea shoots, and then I fried up some broccoli and put hemp seeds on top. And then I'm having this bone broth soup with some parsley. And then I'm having this tea, which I wanted to show you guys. So this is the one, and it's from Nature's Aid health food store, and it comes in this little package, and it basically dissolves in hot water. So this is my leftover. So I had like maybe this much left over from this morning, and I just added some more hot water to it because I wanted to finish it off because it's really delicious. And then I'm also I'm steam cooking some meatballs that are just chicken to go with my salad for a bit of protein. It's like everywhere. But it's good. These are our sad Rice Krispies. And you have to, she's crying. You have to literally pull it with your hand to eat it. But it still tastes good, right? So my food is in a bowl. Fun fact about me, I don't like eating out of plates. And the white stuff that you see, I'll show a close-up right now. But that is buffalo yogurt. So it looks like this. It's from Whole Foods. I do have a really bad dairy allergy, but I don't seem to be affected by buffalo, goat, or sheep like cheeses and yogurts. So if I ever want something that kind of resembles dairy, I will opt for those options, and Whole Foods carries a lot of good options for that stuff. So lunch is ready. Walking. It's fucking cold and sunny. I should have brought sunglasses. Winter's not my season. I'm not into this. I almost slipped on some ice. Oh my god, I can't. 4 times. Honestly, I don't know how people who are fashion bloggers do this. Like, it's so cold. You guys look so good. But like, I couldn't do it. Not in Canada anyways. Or not in this part of Canada. Maybe on the west coast it'd be a little better. Good morning. Happy Monday. I was like, what day is it? Happy Monday. It is the last week of January and I'm very excited. Today, that was a dramatic pause, I am getting my hair done for the first time and I'm very nervous. Sorry, my room's disgusting. Very nervous. I'm just gonna do like a light balayage, like a soft balayage. I don't want to go too crazy for my first time. Normally I jump right into things head first, but because this is new hair that grew back after my stem cell transplant, I do want to like respect it and treat it kindly. So I'm just gonna do a soft balayage, and then if I'm really liking it, then for the summer I'll do a little bit more and maybe a little bit lighter. So yeah, I'm very excited. I'm leaving shortly. I'm just doing a little bit of invoicing to some clients, and I was getting ready. So as I was getting ready, I bought this
hyaluronic acid and vitamin C from Winners to try it, because I don't have like a morning moisturizer or anything that I like. Like I have a couple things, but I find that they just stay oily throughout the day, which is why I use them at night. So I wanted something for during the day that I could put on in the morning and that would moisturize my skin but dry in quickly. So I bought this and I tried it, but my skin is so dry still. It's like sand. Can you even see it? I just put some Lubriderm on my face because it's so dry. Like this feels good and I liked it, but the reason I bought it is because I wanted it to moisturize my skin in the morning, and when I put it on, it felt nice and it smelled good and it dried in fast, but my skin was still left feeling dry. So I don't know if I should keep it or not. My head is so heavy. So I just got home. My hair is done. I love it. We just did like an ashy, here, it's better lighting, an ashy blonde kind of look. Since it was my first time doing this and it's also winter, so I didn't really want to do like a super intense blonde or anything, but I really love it. Also, have you seen the weather outside? It's fucked. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I wanted to talk a bit while I was at the salon, but there was too many people around, so I didn't. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this vlog thing. I don't know. I did my best. Let me know if you liked it, and let me know in the comments below if you want me to do something else like this next month or whatever. If you are new to my channel, make sure to click subscribe and join our growing family. And with that being said, I will see you guys next time. Stay warm and drive safe today. Bye.